Hey guys, so wanted to show you what I did. I did a I don't even know how to explain this. Do you see? Sorry, the eyeliner is really messed up, but you can't really tell when my eyes just narrow. I don't know. I'm trying to get you guys some light here, but it's not really working. Haha. Alright, so there it is. I would like to fix this a little bit more, but that's the idea. Originally it was kind of a soft look, and then I added this really thick liquid, or not liquid, lash line eyeliner. It gets really thick, and then I blended it a little bit, and it was a little bit more darker. It looks a little bit more how I wanted it to. I don't know, but it's kind of like purple, pink, orange, yellowish. I don't know. If I get 3 comments to say I like this, do a tutorial, I'll do a tutorial. So, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I only do one eye on everything, because I won't do it the same way on this eye that I did this one, but whatever. Okay, bye guys, have a fantastic day.